Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Hi, अब हमारे साथ हैं ओजस रजानी. He's a very well-known makeup artist, right from Urmila to Priyanka, Deepika Padukone, and of course now Aishwarya Rai's new look. Let's find out what he has done for her in Robot. Ojas, so tell us, how was it shooting with Aishwarya, and her look is being so talked about in Robot. What have you done, and what do you have to say about your experience working with her?
I'm sure you've seen the promos and the songs. I think everything is very futuristic. I've worked with Shankar before also in his movies, and Manish Malhotra, me and Aishwarya, I think we've tried to create so much of magic on screen because Shankar gives you full leeway on where the look's concerned. He has a vision that everything has to look very high style, very glamorous. So we played a lot with the eyes, and I don't know everybody knows, but Ojas is very famous for eye makeup.
Yes, I do know that.
We played with a lot of colors though, but it's not looking like colorful, but it's just the way it's mutedly and put in together.
It's like the way you've done my eyes right now.
Yes, darling. So we've smoked up the eyes and all, and we've given Aishwarya a very nice bronze ex-goddess look. We played a lot with the hair, a lot of extensions, a lot of accessories. So I would say it's a little high fashion, a little of runway makeup, I would say, which not many actors have done. I think, very few actors women have already done, but I think the way she has portrayed, I think this is the first time ever in Bollywood actors would have done.
Bollywood seems very fascinated with the 70s. Do you see the same trends in makeup?
Also what happens, Indians, if you see, have a lot of round eyes,
Yeah.
So we need that little exaggeration at the tip, And if it's cleverly done, it doesn't look verny, because there's a very fine line in making it look a little verny.
Behenji.
Yeah, behenji, in our language. आजकल market में इतनी अच्छी natural fiber की human hair की lashes मिलती है. If you just stick those single lashes with the machine, they last for 3 to 4 months. So I think why not, It's better to have less eyeshadow and too much of kajal, etc. You should have nice bright doll lashes, whether it's a wedding or whether it's a party or whatever. People want to look glamorous, and I think lashes and hair extensions are like something which make you look like a star.
So basically, हमारे viewers को एक और tip मिल गया है. First we told you about the eyelashes, and now we're talking about the liner. It should be kind of long, and it makes our eyes look much better, but do not make it harsh. Thank you so much for that tip.
Thank you, darling.
One more thing before I go. How was it working with Aishwarya? Was she difficult, cooperative, magical?
I think, I've worked with so many actresses. I mean, everybody's fantastic, but Aishwarya, I think, is professional to the T. She's a perfectionist to the T. I'm not only saying because it's Aishwarya, but I think the way we've gelled and the way she's worked, I think she's a very hardworking, and people don't like her because she's a perfectionist. And she's a one-take artist, whether it's a scene, whether it's a song, or anything, and she is superb on the camera. So, guys, please go and watch out.
Well, thank you very much for talking to us, and we are looking forward to watching your work and Aishwarya in Robot.
Thank you.